Hey everybody, it's a time to a big announcement for you guys. So big announcement is if you want a little more extra help from me and want to take a cheaper private lessons for yourself, then you can get my membership on Patreon or buy me a coffee site. So there are limited seats for a golden pack and silver pack. So I'm gonna put the link in the description of Patreon and buy me coffee, or you can find on my YouTube channel in about section. So links are there. Okay, so you can go on Patreon or you can go on buy me coffee, whatever you like. All right. So make sure if you are interested, so listen it till the end. So that's how you know the whole process, how to get those offers. So there are a lot of excited offers. When you go there, you can check it there. And it would also encourage me to make more content for you guys. I'm gonna explain to you the whole process, how it works. So I have like around 2000 subscriber on my podcast on Spotify. I think on the Apple podcast it might be around like 1000. So overall is 3000 subscriber on my podcast, and I have like a 482 subscriber on my YouTube, right? So even I know everybody don't want to buy a membership. Like even it's like 20 or 30 people who like bought my membership. Even it's a $5 membership, it's going to be over $100 for me. I think it's going to be a big boost for me, and I'll be making more videos about Punjabi conversation for you guys, how to learn Punjabi, how to learn inform Punjabi, stuff like that. And I'll make it one of my priority. So you can go there, you can pick what kind of membership you like. You like $3, $5, $10, $20, which is most suitable for you, so you can pick that one. Actually there are main 4 plans. On the golden membership, you can buy it on $20 and you will get like a 4 one-on-one video lessons with me and 3 one-on-one audio lessons with me, and there are also more. You can go there and you can check it. I'll put link in the description. All right, so there's silver membership, so you will get like a 2 video lessons in just $10. It's a lot of, like, it's a lot cheaper than other teachers you maybe receive the lesson. So it's going to be a good opportunity for you guys too. So these silver pack and golden pack, these are limited. So I only in golden pack only 3 people can get it, and in silver pack only 5 people can get it. Maybe in future I'll like make little bit more people to it, but now I'm just want to limit it because I don't want to make it overwhelming for me at the beginning. So that's why I want to limit it. And there's a third plan, the bronze plan. So in this plan you will get only 1 audio lessons from me, and that plan is for only $5 and it's unlimited. uh yeah, it's for unlimited people. Even like there's no limit of members in this. And fourth plan is basic membership, is only for $3, and you will get in this plan like special content, special video or podcasts, stuff like that, and even like a special posters there on Patreon, on buy me a coffee. So you can get my membership wherever you want. If you like Patreon, you can go there. If you like buy me coffee, you can go there. It's your choice. So the difference between Patreon and buy me coffee, on the Patreon you have to become my member, like you have to pay for me. But on the buy me a coffee, if you don't want to be my member, you can just follow me there, or you can just a supporter, right? So here's the difference between supporter and membership on buy me coffee. So on buy me coffee, when you're a supporter, you are not you don't need to take a membership for monthly or yearly, so you can just support whenever you want. right? So it's not obligated to pay monthly. So if you like to pay, you can pay. If you don't, then you don't need it. That's a support. This is just supporter. So, and a follower means that just you are just following, you're not supporting anything. So there are three type uh, of people on Buy Me Coffee: a follower who do nothing, just follow you, and a supporter who like support you with some donation whenever he wants or she wants, and their membership, and they take your membership for a monthly or yearly. So that's the difference. So even you are not my member, and if you follow me there on Buy Me Coffee, you can also book a private lesson if you want, so you can go there. So I recommend Buy Me Coffee for everybody, like even who doesn't want to get a membership. So you can follow me there, and you can find the new offers there. If you like, you can buy it. All right. So if you don't have an account on Patreon or on a Buy Me Coffee, and you can search on YouTube how to create an account as a supporter on this side. You will find the video, and then you can sign in on there. All right. So guys, at then just go there and check the offers. If you like, you can buy it. If you don't like it, it's all good.